got an order. This nigga, we in McDonald's.
You recording?
Yep.
Oh, you gonna post it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh, damn. Told ya. Told ya, I told it. Put a bullet in y'all and blow.
He's a rapper, so all he does is rap. We in McDonald's. Everybody looks brazy. This European chick, she looks brazy. White chick right here about the beat. About the beat.
Son up on a nigga, run up on a nigga,
Son on
nigga.
Snow is all on my shit. It's a wonderful day in New York City.
Wonderful day, my ass.
In New Yiddy. NY City. Home of the fly biddies.
Blisters.
Y'all say McDonald's. I'm ashamed. Move, nigga. Look. Gucci.
We got Dwayne Reed on Dwayne Street.
That's what's dope. Dwayne Reed.
Dwayne Reed
Oh,
on
we
Dwayne
can't.
Street.
We can't see it. We gonna.
Who the fuck is Dwayne?
Who is Dwayne? That's the question.
Can Dwayne Reed?
Can he? Oh, he know. Look. Dwayne. Boom. Dwayne Street. Ridiculous. Can Dwayne Reed? Oh, I'm shocked. Oh shit. No, you good. Gucci. Niggas selling golds. Camera getting wet. Gold nothings, B. Oh yeah. Booty. All day. All day. Nigga is stupid, son. Let me clean the lens. Oh, doodle.
That's some doodle.
That was some fucking zoodle.
That's
some zoodle.
That's some straight zoodle.
I don't like that doodle. That's that it, man. I don't like that it doodle. Gucci. What does that even mean? I don't have Gucci. Where the fuck are we walking?
Hell yeah, where the fuck is the train?
With the train over there.
Huh?
The train, oh, let me